In this video, I will show you how to change background color in Canva. So basically, what you're gonna have to do is simply open your Canva design. Now, as you can see, I have this design with these elements and I have this plain white background. So let's say I want to change only the color. So simply click on the main Canva color and then click on this background color. Now simply open this color wheel and then simply choose the color that you want to change the background to. Now if you want, you can also create gradients. So as you can see, you can add your custom colors here. You can add multiple colors if you want, and then you can choose the style of the gradient. Now you can also use these templates of gradients that you can use, and basically that's how you can change background color. Now if you want, you can also go to and add photos as backgrounds. So simply add a photo, then resize it to your design size, just like this. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply right click on it and then go and click on layer, hover the mouse over layer, and then click on send to back, and basically that's it. Now if you want, you can unlock this so you can't make changes anymore to it, and you can add your photos, you can add your elements and everything on your Canva design. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.